Mutual fund. Some people think it is risky. Some people think it makes a lot of money. And many people do not understand it at all. But don't worry, in this video, I will explain mutual funds in a very simple way so that anyone can understand. Let's talk about a real life situation. You earn money every month. You save some of it. But if your money stays only in the bank account, it grows very slowly. So the question is, how can your money grow faster? This is where mutual funds come in. A mutual fund means many people put their money together. This money is invested as a group, not alone. Now you may ask, who invests this money? A professional person called a fund manager does this job. His work is to invest the money in the right places so it can grow over time. This money is invested in different places like big companies, growing companies, and the government bonds. This is called diversification. It simply means do not put all your eggs in one basket. When these companies grow, your money also grows. The value of your investment increases. This value is called net asset value or NAV. You do not need a lot of money to start. You can invest a small amount every month. This is called SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. Even 500 rupees per month is enough to begin. Now, let's talk about risk. Yes, mutual funds have risk. But the risk depends on which type of fund you choose and how long you stay invested. People who stay invested for a long time usually gets better results. Mutual funds are good for beginners, salaried people, small investors, and anyone who wants to plan for the future. If you want your money to grow slowly but smartly, mutual funds can help you. Now you understand how mutual funds work. Start small, be patient, think long term. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Build Money Academy because money grows with knowledge. Before we end, a small reminder. This video is only for educational purposes. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Please read all schemes related documents carefully before investing. Thank you for watching.